we are watching Daddy and Christian surf. And guess what? Daniel's struggling because he has to go poop. And I didn't bring a diaper. Right, Daniel? This is what we have to deal with now. But guess what? Right over there is a bathroom. And you can try.
Let's start going in the bathroom.
But you can try. What are you going to do, Daniel?
Go in the car room.
You going to hide?
Yeah, I will hide in here. So weird.
Oh my God.
Hey, don't
Daniel.
stink up my Gatorade.
Oh, beautiful Santa Cruz. Just taking a little break from the beach for Daniel the Beast. Mischievous little Daniel. It's a potty break.
Mommy! Oh, Mom, Dad.
Okay.
Mom, Daddy.
Bye.
Mom, make a warning. Please.
So guys, believe it or not, the car is totally packed with stuff to the top. Surfboards, boogie boards, Jessie and everything. So we're gonna have to change Daniel right here. And I'm gonna get to it. I really wonder what would happen if I told Daddy to change Daniel's diaper. Man, that would make a really funny video. I think one of these days. Well, thanks for tuning in, Coastside Family Adventures. We are on our adventure in Santa Cruz. And I'm gonna change a poopy diaper now.